At the moment, for SLR, we want to take this sevens tournament as our first step forward, because we have given you the calendar for next year, starting from January, February. So we have given the clubs, most of the clubs, who didn't want to take part in tournaments, they wanted a 3 months time period to get their sponsors and they act together. So we have been given them the time. So only time will tell the story. If COVID is not there, like for 146 years, SLR has been doing and running their tournaments. We have got our sponsors. In addition, we got somebody now. We have not spoken on the local tournament, but we can still speak to him and sort out. So if COVID is not there, we don't need any guidance from any authority. Because of this bubble block and the health authorities, we have to depend. Otherwise, there's a free flow of tournament and we can go ahead. There's no blockage in running a tournament in Sri Lanka. The technical committee, they had an interview supporting Ben. It was Fazil Marjan and Nilufer Ibrahim. Then last week when I spoke to Fazil, he said due to some personal commitments that he would not come in for the short tour. Everybody has their commitment. So I spoke to Nilufer. Even till Ben came and landed, Nilufer didn't know that Ben was coming, because that was the fact that I had to bring it out. Now he's very happy. Nilufer has done a lot of coaching, but at a national level, definitely a bonus for us to have Ben there and for Nilufer to understudy him and go forward. So we have our local coaches also following up. Our organic growth in rugby, 7s or 15 is there. We have our from the grassroots level to the top level. This 20 months gap can be cut short when our tournaments start. And we have to put a question to the clubs, and we have to take a decision with the ministry. Do we have a separate squad for the sevens? Not get the players. That is, we must have a high performance, and they must be treated professionally. You see all over the world, even England or USA or Fiji, their sevens players don't go and take part in the 15s. So we need to step up to that level. To step up to that level, we need sponsorship, and we also need a lot of support from the ministry, because it comes to national. So we are talking to the ministry, and there are certain issues we have with the clubs, because clubs have both 15s and 7s. They have the same players who are playing for them. They have contracted. So we are looking at as SLR, we are looking for a professional 7 squad of 20 people. They will be going into elite training. They might going into overseas training, playing games. Apart from the 15s going there, that's the only way forward. If we are going to compete with the Commonwealth Games and going to win a medal, we need to look at that step level of going professionalism. Well, you have gone through the series of paper articles which has come up. As SLR, we had our council meetings and EXO meetings. We are not there to select players, and we are not there to do criteria. So if the criteria is given by the selection committee, and if that is not accepted by the sports ministry, they need to change according to that. We have no right. We have been having discussions to have special criteria, but in all the ministry took it, and we respect that. We don't want to go and say whether it's right or wrong. We respect the decision that the ministry has taken, and I found out there are upcoming players. We only have to put them to test. We are coming with a new sponsor. He has the confidence in what I have been telling him. He wants to get into sports. We have got Ben here. I have got the confidence of Kais Abdullah, who have been supporting us for so long, having our administration going on. You know who Jude Pillay is. I got Sriyan Kure in my committee. I got Asanta Dimel. I got Gihan Karnaratna. So we got a very well balanced rugby thinking group within Pradeep Basnayaka, and we don't want to go to that level of challenging what the criteria is being given. And I think given the opportunity, the boys will be able to perform. I am not sure what the position is. My confidence has grown from the time Ben accepted to come here, and I just leave it at that level. When we got the permission, the DG Sport, he said play a tournament, and then the players will be selected. It is unfortunate 2 of the best clubs did not take part, and we leave it at that. I have no control over that.
Stay on the ball with the Papyrus Sports News Alerts. Don't miss out on what's happening in the world of sport. Type sports and send to 678 to register. 30 rupees per month. Conditions apply.